My friend Jamin has quite possibly the most heinous snore of all time. Pretty bad, right? Jesus Christo. And good news, I just finished my new painting. Cthulhu. Yeah, I do watercolors. It's the most manly art form I can think of. I'm hanging up with the rest of my artwork. This is what I got right now. It's a self-portrait I did a couple years ago. I did this yesterday. I did this when I was in high school. I think I did this in my room the other day. And God so loved the world, he gave his one and only shroom. They're all pretty decent. This guy, I think he's gonna go right there. Because everyone else has an art wall here. Here's Taylor's art wall. She's got all kinds of crazy shit. I like the Mighty Boosh one. This is Kyle's art wall. You've probably already seen that. It's got all kinds of cool shit. It's a lot better than mine, but I'm not actually talented at all, so this is what I got going for me. Catch you in the flip.